A beautiful place, Dharamsala, where the 14th Dalai Lama lives. Nearby, there is a waterfall called Bhaksu. Me and my friend went there in 2025, so I will show you what's there. It's very beautiful. There is natural vegetation. Wow. See?
Natural
How beautiful.
Jai Shadra. So this place is called Bhaksu. It's situated in Dharamsala, near Maglurganj.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah, bro. How are you?
I'm fine. Today is very good weather.
Okay.
Then we have to go Bhaksu waterfall.
Okay, great.
Let's
Let's go. Take it.